In WP Fluent Form, custom HTML allows you to customize the form by putting your own HTML code or shortcode for more personalization. Please keep in mind, this is a pro feature. Purchase WP Fluent Form Pro add-on from the link provided in description to use this functionality. Drag and drop the custom HTML field button in your form editor from the Advanced Field tab. Or you can just click on the button and a custom HTML field will be added below the last selected input field in the editor. Or click on the plus icon below the last added input field and select Custom HTML. Hover on the Custom HTML field and click on the Edit button to customize it. In the HTML code field, put your valid HTML code that is to be shown to the user as a normal content. Define if there are any conditions to be fulfilled for this input field. Learn more about conditional logics in the link given in description. Save form once the customization is done.